Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied skip counting. Now, today we will study comparison of number. The sign of comparison. Three signs are there. This one is called is equal to sign, and this sign is called greater than sign, and this sign is called less than sign. About these three signs we have to study today. The equal to sign. This sign is called which one? Equal to. Means like this we have to put two signs. Two line, small line. This sign is shows equal to sign. Shows that number on both the side means left hand side as well as right hand side. Two sides will be given. The number which is present on that side, right hand side, that is called right hand side number, and the number which is present on the left hand, that is called LHS, means left hand side. So if both numbers are same, then we have to put the is equal to sign. Now how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After it, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 12 lakh 32,587. Here also 12 lakh 32,587. Both side number is same. So that's why we have to put what which sign? Equal to sign. Understood? So here also 26, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both side 8 digit number. Now look at 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 2 crore 63 lakh 64,921. 2 crore 63 lakh 64,921. 26364,921. 26364,921. Both side number is same. So put which side? Equal to sign. Both number are same, then we have to put the equal to sign. Understood? Now second point, the greater than sign. This sign is called greater than sign. Keep in mind this. Don't get confused in between this. Opening mouth of this side, this left hand side, greater than side, and the opening mouth on the right hand side is called, this is less sign. So the greater than sign shows that, what shows that? Number on the left hand side has a greater value than that of the number on the right hand side. If left hand side number is greater than the number present on the right hand side, then we have to put which side? Greater than side. Now look, how many is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to read? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 72 lakh, 31,453. Here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 72 lakh, 18,734. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit number. Now 7 compare, or otherwise another method is there. Here 7, 7, 2, 2. Here now what it is given? 3, and here given what? 1. Now compare 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In 10 lakh it is given here 7, and here in 10 lakh 7. Both become number same, common number. Now before 10 lakh which number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Here 2, here also 2. This also number become common in 10. Now here 3, and here what? 1. Now 3 is what? Getting greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. That's why this number. That's why this 72 lakh 31,453 is greater than 72 lakh 18,734. Left hand side number is greater. So that's why we have to put which side? Greater than side. Now this example, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 6 crore 43 lakh 69,248. And here 4 crore 56 lakh 25,844. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now compare. Here 6 and here 4. What is getting? 6 is getting greater than 4. 6 बड़ा है 4 से. So that's why this number is greater than that number. So you have to put the greater than sign. Means 64 crore 36 6 crore 43 lakh 69,248 is greater than 4 crore 56 lakh 25,844. So you have to put the greater than sign. So understood this one? Now third point, look at the less than sign. This sign is called less than sign. Shows that the number on the left hand side has a smaller value than that of the number on the right hand side. If left hand side number is getting smaller than that of the number present on the right hand side, then we have to put less sign. Now look at how many is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to read? 32, 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 32 lakh 51,470. And here 37 lakh 23,470. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number left hand side. Right hand side number also 7 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now compare. Here 3, here 3. 3 become common. Same. Leave that. Next. Here 2, here 7. Now 2 is getting what? Smaller than 7. So that means 32 lakh 51,417 is less than 37 lakh 23,470. Understood? Now next number. How many is number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means crore maybe. 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore 47 lakh 69,225. 7 crore 25 lakh 23,824. Now compare. Here 3 and here 7. 3 is getting what? Less than 7. So that means this 3 crore 47 lakh 69,225 is less than 7 crore 25 lakh 23,824. So put less than sign. Understood? So 3 sign I explained. Equal to sign, greater than sign and less than sign. Keep in mind. The comparison of numbers with different number of digits. And after that we will study next one. Comparison of number with what? Different number of digits. For example, this example given how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here 7 digit number and this one is 8 digit number. How to read? 23 lakh 45,618. Here 1 tens, 100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore 2 lakh 34,540. Now this is 7 digit number left hand side and right hand side 8 digit number. Then certainly 7 digit number will be smaller than what? 8 digit number. So which sign will come? Which sign come? Less than. Means 23 lakh 45,618 is less than 1 crore 2 lakh 34,540. Understood? So number having less number, that will be greater. Less digit will be greater than as compared to the number having more digit. So now comparison of number with same number of digit. Now how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 5 crore 25 lakh 61,626. And here 3 crore 23 lakh 42,846. Now look. Same digit. Now how to compare? 1 tens, 100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. In crore which number present here? 5. And here in crore 1 tens, 100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Here 3. Now 5 is getting what? Greater than 3. So 5 crore 25 lakh 61,626 is greater than 3 crore 23 lakh 42,846. So this is comparison of number with different number of digit and same number of digit. Now we have to study ascending and descending order. Ascending order means what? Arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. Arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. यानी smallest मतलब छोटे से, greatest मतलब बड़ा, छोटे से बड़ा. Arrange करना number. Arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest is known as ascending order. And descending order just opposite to that. Arranging the number from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. छोटे से बड़ा अरेंज करना, वैसे नंबर को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहा जाता है. और बड़े से छोटा अरेंज करने के लिए नंबर्स 4 और 5 numbers will be given. From that number we have to properly arrange the number and we have to write the answer. Arranging the number from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. Now to example look at. To example we will study. Arrange 23 crore 86 lakh 31,123. 1 tens, 100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 8 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digit number. 23 crore 86 lakh 31,123. Here 84 crore 14 lakh 72,325 and 35 crore 28 lakh 14,561 in ascending order. First of all count how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the three numbers are 9 digit number. Then how to compare? Last number here 2. Here 8. And here 3. Now ascending order means we have to arrange the number from smallest to the greatest. Now among 2, 2 comma 8 comma 3. Which number is smallest? This 2 is smallest, isn't it? Means 23 crore 86 lakh 31,123 is smaller. Is smaller number among the 3 numbers. After 2, which number we are getting here? Look at 8 or 3. This 3 will be smaller. So we have to write this second number, and remaining this third number. This one is your third number. So first, second, and third. This answer we have to write. Means 23 crore 86 lakh 31,123 is less than 35 crore 28 lakh 14,561, and this number is less than 84 crore 14 lakh 72,325. So smallest to the greatest is known as ascending order. Or if you want to put here comma also, we can put that comma if you don't want to put the sign there. So understood? Now next example. Arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. 7 crore 24 lakh 82,173, comma 3 crore 41 lakh 84,724 and 4 crore 12 lakh 38,145 in descending order. Descending order means arranging the number from the greatest to the smallest. So we have to select among these 3 numbers. First of all, greatest number. So how to select? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the 3 numbers are 8 digit number. Then compare. Crore place. Here in crore place which number? 7. And here 3. And here 4. So among 7, comma 3, comma 4. Which number is greater? 7. Means this. 7 crore 24 lakh 82,173 is the greatest number. So number 1. After that 3 or 4 is greater? 4. 4 crore 12 lakh 38,147. This is your second. And this number 3 crore 41 lakh 84,724. This is your third number. So in this way we have to write the answer. So right answer. 7 crore 24 lakh 82,173 is greater than 4 crore 12 lakh 38,145, and this number is greater than which number? 3 crore 41 lakh 84,724. So understood this one? Now homework. Textbook page number 258. Let us practice 1.3. First, second, third, and fourth. Only 4 question example. 4 question you have to complete. For example, first one. What it is given? Which is the greater number in each of the following pair? This pair means jodi. This among these 2 number, which is the greater number that we have to find. Now how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to read? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 17 lakh 32,585. Here 82 lakh 14,651. Now how to compare which number is greater? Now look, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In 10 lakh what it is given? 1. And here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here 8. Now 8 is greater or 1 is greater? Among these 2 numbers? 8. Isn't it? Means 8 lakh 21,000 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 82 lakh 14,651 is greater than 17 lakh 32,585. This number is greater, isn't it? So we have to write here 82 lakh 14,651 is greater. We have to find out which one is greater number. That number we have to write the answer. So in this way, B, C, example you have to do. B, C. One example I explained from first, B and C like that only. And in second question, what it asked? Which is the smaller number in each of the following pair? Now here you have to take from these 2 numbers smaller number. Understood? Second example. Now third, arrange the following in ascending order. Third question, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending means arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. Understood? Arrange properly. And in question number 4, what it is asked? Arrange the following in descending order, यानी बड़े से छोटा. So try to complete this 4 example.